Next, they have these multi-use trash bags. These are definitely new to Dollar Tree. You can use them in your car, you can use them beside your bed, and in the kitchen. That's what it says. So there is a strip in the back where you tear off the protective film from the sticky part, and then you just stick it on where you want it. And you can use that same sticky part to close it to throw it in the trash later. So I think that's pretty cool for $1.25. Now these incense, astrology incense, Aquarius did not smell good at all, but Aries did smell good. So I would definitely open this package up and smell the incense before you buy it. Now these were in a previous video, these 7-pocket organizers, but I want you to notice they now have a heavier weight one. The originals did not have heavier weight. So now they've kind of upgraded how much of a capacity they hold. This is the original right here, not the heavyweights. So you have 2 that you can choose between depending on what you're trying to put in them. They have these collapsible storage bins with tops. These are definitely a buy. I've only seen the colors gray and blue. Next, I came across these wax melts or candle melts. I'm not exactly sure. And they came in clarity, energy, and balance. This is what they look like. And they also had these in reed diffusers as well. Now this was definitely a new find at Dollar Tree. These decorative glass knobs, they came in different styles. They already had the screws attached. And you have to weigh the pros and cons as far as price, as how many you would need for your dresser if you're going to replace the knobs, versus $1.25 per, or getting a pack on Amazon. Also new at Dollar Tree are these lint rollers, bamboo lint rollers, for $1.25. These are new at Dollar Tree and they are for $1.25. These help eliminate odor and moisture in the air. You hang a bag in your closet. I have one in all of my closets and they do work.
Deactivating. I do not understand. Do you wish to delete? All systems down.